Why don't walkers for seniors ever play poker? Because they're always folding. And now let us explore 11 practical tips on folding walkers for seniors. Tip 1. Understanding your walker's mechanism. Every folding walker works differently depending on its design. Before folding, make sure you understand the mechanism of the walker. This may involve pushing, pulling, or lifting certain parts. Check the user manual to ensure safety and avoid damaging the equipment. Tip 2. Clear the area. Ensure the area where you are going to fold the walker is clear. This reduces the chances of accidentally causing damage to surrounding objects or the walker itself, as well as preventing possible injuries whilst folding. Tip 3. Maintain balance. While folding your walker, ensure to maintain balance to avoid falls and injuries. You could sit down while attempting to fold it or ask for assistance if you have balance difficulties. Tip 4. Safety locks. Most walkers have safety locks to keep them steady when in use. Before you fold a walker, you will usually need to release these safety locks. Tip 5. Keep a light grip. Hold the walker lightly when you are folding it. Too much pressure can cause damage to the walker mechanism or lead to potential strains to your hands or wrists. Tip 6. Slow and steady. Do not rush when folding the walker. Some models have delicate parts and require careful handling. Rushing could lead to accidents or damage to the walker. Tip 7. Ensure compact fold. When you fold your walker, you should make it as compact as possible. This will make it easy to transport or store, as well as reducing the chance of it accidentally unfolding. Tip 8. Store properly. Once the walker is folded, store it in an upright position and in a safe space where it won't hamper movement. Storing the folded walker correctly will prevent damage and potential accidents. Tip 9. Regular inspection. Regularly inspect the folding mechanism for signs of wear or damage. If the walker doesn't fold properly or you notice any weak areas, do not use it and seek professional help for repair or replacement. Tip 10. Maintenance matters. Regular maintenance of the walker will keep its folding mechanism smooth and reliable. This includes cleaning and occasional lubrication of the folding parts. Follow manufacturer's precautions on the type of cleaning agents to use to avoid damage. Tip 11. Seek help if necessary. If you're having trouble folding the walker, or if it seems unusually difficult to fold, don't force it. Seek help from a family member, caregiver, or healthcare provider to avoid injury or damage to the walker.